Thank you very much for still staying with us. Let's do some more stories. And InCiTiS-FOOD has open calls inviting individuals and organizations to contribute to innovative farming. The project organizes workshops to guide applicants, providing them with the knowledge and tools needed to participate effectively in these opportunities. By fostering innovation, the initiative creates opportunities for individuals and organizations to adopt these practices and establish ventures that empower local farmers.
InCiTiS-FOOD project is driving transformative change in food and nutrition security across the continent through its innovative Living Lab initiative. The program promotes cutting-edge solutions such as soilless crop farming, recirculating aquaculture systems, and insect farming to address food production challenges sustainably. By fostering innovation, the initiative creates opportunities for individuals and organizations to adopt these practices and establish ventures that empower local farmers. Special emphasis is placed on supporting women in agriculture, ensuring inclusivity and resilience in local food systems.
The InCiTiS-FOOD project started 2 years ago. They have been running a series of research interventions around circular technologies, and they have supported these universities to establish what we call living labs. Now, the living lab is just a terminology used by the project that showcases the innovations that are being promoted through InCiTiS-FOOD. The three technologies or innovations that are being promoted are aquaponics, hydroponics, and insect farming. So all these innovations or technologies are supposed to complement each other in a circular manner. So the project has now worked, and the living labs have managed to test some of these technologies. And now it's reached a point whereby the living labs would like to upscale some of these technologies to the community. And that is why within the project, there's a window to enable that little or small scale up, which we are calling open call.
Dr. Emmanuel D. Abarike, a lecturer and technician at the Living Laboratory at the University for Development Studies, highlighted how aquaponics recycles waste into useful resources. In this system, the waste from one process, like fish farming, becomes input for another, such as plant growth, whilst hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, is also being promoted.
When we say it's a living laboratory, basically it is a laboratory that has life in it. So I'm talking about fish, they have life. I'm talking about vegetables, they have life. So that is what we mean by a living laboratory. It's something that you can easily move from one place to the other. So in this laboratory, we are actually promoting basically two technologies. We're promoting a technology called aquaponics, where we have fish integrated with vegetable production. And that system is designed in a way that the byproducts of one is used as a product of another. So input for another. So the fish, water from the fish contains a lot of nutrients that plants can use. And those nutrients are not really good for the fish. And so we use the plants to absorb the nutrients. And in so doing, the plants clean the water, and the water goes back to the fish tank. So the water actually is recycled in that type of technology. The second one is what we call the hydroponics, and that we use nutrient fertilizer in very minute amounts compared to that which you will use in the conventional areas. And that is also used to grow plants on soilless systems. There are technologies that are designed for urban and peri-urban centers, where water scarcity can be a limitation to all year-round production, and also where space can be a limitation.
The Open Call initiative under InCiTiS-FOOD is offering funding solutions for innovators and organizations participating in the Living Lab. This aims to bridge financial gaps and encourage creativity in food systems.
The InCiTiS-FOOD project is working on first developing best fit agri-food technologies. and business models, sharing these ideas with farmers, with practitioners, and then the open call, or what we have come here to discuss today, is also solving one of the key challenges for upscaling good ideas, which is funding. Funding is a very